Wetin dey happen, my people? Una dey watch Pidgin Vibez news, where better gist no dey pass us. Today matters sweet well, as one big man of God dey celebrate landmark age. Rev Dr Felix Ilaweagbon Omobude don clock 80 solid years for this life. This na General Superintendent of Gospel Light International Ministries, man wey don touch plenty lives. No be one day thing o, celebration stretch enter full week with different powerful programs. Humanitarian outreach dey ground to show say service to people still be the main thing. Even football joined the matter as Rev Dr Omobude Football Cup final. Full ground. Colloquium plus book presentation shows say learning and wisdom still the front. Medical outreach no carry last, as health matter the top priority for the celebration. Night of praises go loud well, as people gather to thank God for 80 years of grace. Saturday na the main birthday celebration, joy, smiles, and testimonies full everywhere. Sunday Thanksgiving crown am all, as people return all glory back to God. This 80 years no just be age, na legacy of faith, family, integrity, and learning. From members to well-wishers, everybody dey hail Baba for impact and consistency. Na celebration wey show say when life dey well spent, e dey loud without noise. Na so we take drop this special report. I be your guy for Pidgin Vibez News. Make una stay blessed, stay correct.